Hey folks, so these are the TOZO HT2 Bluetooth headphones. Bought these, thought I could share the initial impressions of them and the unboxing with you. Now, one of the things that these are boasting are up to 60 hours of battery life off a single charge. However, they also have noise cancellation, and that works for both listening and speaking too, because it does have an inbuilt microphone for hands-free calling. So you won't get the full 60 hours of battery life if you're making the most of all the features here, but even so, that's really impressive. So let's go ahead, take a look at them together. I'll put them on, see how they feel, and then I'll connect them to my phone to see how the audio quality is as well. So I have had some TOZO headphones before and have always been impressed with the quality of their products, so I'm expecting good things here, I'll be honest. In here we just have some documentation, and we have a couple of cables here. Yes, more than one. So that does include the USB-C charging cable. However, it also includes an audio cable as well, because there is a separate jack on these headphones, so you don't have to use them over Bluetooth if you don't want to. So really nice to see this feature being included. And the headphones themselves, which as you can see, I got them in the blue colour, but they are available in 8 or 9 different designs. And straight away, taking these out of the box, they are feeling really nice. So we have the cushioned cups here for your head, along with the cushion on the top of the headband as well. There does seem to be plenty of adjustability in the main ear cups, along with the actual headband as well. So these should fit, I would imagine, most shaped heads. In fact, sometimes the adjustability in these headbands can feel, you know, a little bit subpar, but that's not the case here. These do feel like a good quality pair of headphones. They're certainly not the most expensive Bluetooth wireless headphones on the market, so I am pleasantly surprised by that. But let's go ahead and pop these on, see how they feel. Yep, no issues there with the fit whatsoever. And the cushions here do provide that extra comfort, which is really nice. Obviously, you know, I would need to wear these for quite a bit longer to see if they are comfortable long term, but certainly initially there's no issues here. Now, in terms of the connections, on the right ear cup, we do have the media controls just here, so that will allow you to obviously adjust the volume, along with switch between various tracks, play and pause. We have the power button just there, the jack for that audio cable if you wish to use it, the USB-C charging port, the inbuilt microphone, along with the noise cancelling button. So now popping these back on once more, I do have my phone with me. Let's see how easy this is to connect. Hopefully there's some battery charge out of the box. There usually is. One thing I will say is that these do have Bluetooth 5.3 technology, which is the latest version at the time of making this video. And straight away on my phone, I can see that the TOZO HT2 have come up under the Bluetooth connections. So I'll tap that, and there we go. The whole process only took a few seconds, so no complaints there, and we are good to go. So let's go ahead now and open up a YouTube video so I can actually test out the audio quality here, perhaps a musical track. So I do have some music play now. The audio quality is absolutely fine. They do utilise 40mm drivers here, so I was expecting some good quality audio. I've got to say though, I have to keep reminding myself of the price of these headphones. They're not a premium pair in terms of their price, but in terms of the quality, the features, and just the audio quality here, I think you are getting some good bang for your buck. So I'm going to let this play out for a bit, and then I'll share some thoughts with you after that. So I've popped my phone down again, and I have to say, having done a few tests, that the audio quality here is really good. Now, the clarity, since I know this is important for many of you, of the voices is definitely clear as well. So if you are going to be using these primarily perhaps to watch movies or to listen to podcasts, then you are not going to have any issues understanding those voices. And in terms of music listening, then yep, the 40mm drivers do pack a good punch. So I have been using these with ANC enabled, that active noise cancellation, although not really needed, I have to say, since there's not a lot of ambient noise in my surroundings. So if I do want to go ahead and just turn that off, just a simple click of the ANC button, and now it's turned off. I got that audible prompt. Now there are a number of settings, including pass-through, and of course you can turn ANC on as well, so you can cycle through those with that button. Just remember, when you are using it, you are going to be reducing battery life by about 20 hours or so to about 40 hours, but still really impressive. But I've been wearing these now for about half an hour, and I've got to say, still no issues whatsoever with the comfort. So overall, first impressions of these TOZO Bluetooth headphones, are definitely positive. I'll just give you another look at those up close. Yeah, I really like them. Again, available in a number of colours. But if you are looking for a more mid-range pair of Bluetooth headphones, then this TOZO set may definitely be worth checking out.